What is the salary of a CS in India? So when you see different YouTube videos, different people speak different things, which can be confusing and demotivating at times. Now let me get into this straight away. When it comes to pay, you must always keep in mind that a person's skill and years of experience are always taken into consideration while determining the salary and how much is to be paid. Also, different metro cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Gurgaon offer different salary packages. Different companies will obviously offer different packages for different positions. Years of experience in this field will yield you higher salary, but to give you a rough figure, in India the average salary of a fresher company secretary is approximately 8 lakh per annum. But now again it depends on years of experience. It would increase from 8 lakh per annum and may go even in crores. There are many company secretaries who earn in millions, like HUL's executive director Dev Bajpayee, who is company secretary, and there was a report by Mint that he earns 4.69 crores in a year. And this news is even a very old news, let me tell you. Talking about the top recruiters for CS graduates, they are Infosys Technologies, HCL, Cisco, Dell, Tata Infotech Limited, Apple, and obviously the Big Fours.